Something's wrong. It sounds like a raped pig. I don't know what's wrong with it.
It sounds like it's stripped out.
Something is. Something. Oh, it's. I have a dyed towel in here. I can't just.
Maybe it's tangled around the bottom.
I thought that too.
So are you saying the washer is dead?
I hope not. Oh my god, are you serious? Okay, wait. What if I? You're supposed to stop when I push in. Something's amiss. Now if it spins and still does it, then it's the belt?
Well, it was trying to move before, so...
Well, it can't be overloaded. There's only 3 articles in here. One. My mother's gonna be like, you stripped the belt! But no, when I was upstairs, I think it was... That sounds, little when I got down here, it sounded like a pig was being raped. And I'm like...
It disturbs me that you're familiar with that sound.
You never heard the squealing noise?
I've heard the squealing noise, but not under under those particular circumstances.
I don't know why I did that.
You would think that was almost on purpose. Maybe it's candid camera.
I don't have a...
You're gonna have to tear the washer apart.
Why did you not move it because there's too much weight sitting there? Remember that tape that we had on it?
You could let it finish draining.
I could. It is done draining. It's... I think it's the belt.
There's probably a way to do that instead of just forcing it.
No, we did this before. I already had this off. One other time.
From an incredibly forceful event.
You gotta push in a little one thing. You see down here? What is it? It's a little knob you gotta push in. You gotta like push it up.
Well, so you're not going to call your mother?
That's right, it's not square because the tape was holding it in for a year and a half.
I bet you could look it up on YouTube. Can I stop recording so I can help?
Oh,